Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and talk about compound interest. Woo! So compound interest is specifically used when talking about money. And we get to use my favorite formula because it's the easiest formula to remember. P of t is equal to P times e to the RT. Or PERT! Woo! So compound interest, again, deals with money. P of t stands for the amount of money after some time. P is the initial amount of money that you get or that you've invested. E is a magical number. It's really not necessarily magical, but I like to call it magical. It allows us to approximate compounding the dollar amount every day. So when it says compounded continuously. The reason it's the letter E, it's similar to like how pi is pi. It's a never-ending number that was discovered by a mathematician. His name is Euler, but his name's spelled E-U-L-E-R. But it's pronounced Euler, but it's spelled with an E first. So the magical number E is named after him, just like pi is named after pi. And then R, again, we've seen this already, is a rate as a decimal. And my T is time. So, compound interest is PERT, P times e to the RT. Woo! It's just the best way to remember that equation. Alright, so suppose that $1,000 is invested at 7% interest compounded continuously. How much money would be in the bank after 5 years? So we're finding the amount after 5 years. My initial amount invested is $1,000 times my E to the 0.07, because 7% divided by 100% is 0.07. And we're going to take that times my 5. So in my calculator, when I plug this in, I'm going to have 1,000. The E button, which I need to hit the seconds, and then ln. So let me scroll down a second. That's how you get your E. And then you're going to see this kind of guy pop up, and you want to do the 0.07 times 5 in parentheses. Oops, let me clear that. So it should look like such. And when I hit enter, I come up with 1419.07. This is dollar amounts, so remember you need the units, and you want to round to the nearest cent. So since it's 0.067, I'm going to go ahead and round that and do 7 cents. Alright, you invest $17.50 in a bank account that has 9% annual interest rate compounded continuously. How much, will we have in 25 years? So, P of 25 is equal to 1750 times E to the 0.09 times 25. $16603.54. So $16,603.54, which is not too terrible, seeing as how you started with 1,000, but you're also going for 25 years. So, not the best either. Alright, you invest $12,000 in a bank account that has 1.25% annual interest compounded continuously. How much will you have in 10 years? Now with this one, my rate is 1.25%. I still have to take that divided by 100 to get my percent as a decimal. Even though it has decimal point in it, you're correct. It's still in the form of percentages. I have to divide that percentage out. So it's going to be small. So I'm finding it in 10 years. And it's 12,000. E to the 0.0125 times 10. So after 10 years, you're only going to have $13,597.78. Which seems like it sucks, but if you go to a bank account and you want to open a savings account, you go to a bank and you want to open a savings account, this percentage is actually a very high percent to get on a bank account. The average one is less than 1%. It's usually about 0.4%. And that's not even very much either. So the fact that you get anything is pretty exciting. However, it's not, the bank is trying to not let you win money, essentially. So, all right, have at it.